This is the ZEBLAZE Stratos 3 Ultra in always-on mode. AMOLED screen, beautiful device. Touch the button, bring it back up into full blooming color. Swipe down, you got notifications sent from your phone. When you go up, you've got different controls you can play with. Do not disturb, twist your wrist to see the time, battery level support, even shaking the water out of the speaker. And yep, it's got a little speaker right over there. Bluetooth calling with this one, music streaming, all of those things are supported. When you come back here and you press this button, you'll get into all of your apps. You got your date, step count information in here, calories burned and standing and distance traveled, all the things you need to check daily. Workouts, if you want to start walking or running with integrated GPS in this one, so you can get your tracks directly with the watch, not have to take your phone with you. You got a rapid health, which will do all of the following things, or you can do them individually, like blood oxygen is supported in this one. Stress is something you can take an instant measurement of, or you can have continuous measurement happening throughout the day. Heart rate's supported on that as well. You have a breathing exercise. Inhaling and exhaling is in this one. Ladies, your cycles are in here, favorite contacts and calls and keypad for your phones. You got weather support, including forecast information. It's really robust. A music player, alarms, timers, and stopwatch, even a world clock, a little calculator. Here's the fun part. You got a barometer and altimeter in this, and you've got a compass built in it as well. And a really fun little one. Where are you, compass? That shows you north and also shows you the direction that you're pointed, and the button right straight at the top. Anyway, it's a fun little integrated compass, and it's super fast and it appears to be very accurate as well. You get the different watch faces that we can switch to and overall settings on this watch, which are all your basic stuff, brightness, cover to sleep, an always-on display. You saw that. Do not disturb. It just goes on and on. Really, really fun. Very well-developed watch. It's got a beautiful AMOLED screen. Nice compact body that lets it hug down tight. It's smaller and firmer in that regard, similar to the Stratos 2 Ultra, which is a bit bulkier and larger, but this is more compact and a little less expensive. Again, this one is the Stratos 3 Ultra. Check it out.